Komiti mar od bura maduong' marango chenro mar keto mwandu mag piny owacho koro niendi dwaro ni bad migawo mar omenda ochwal e doho apisa manobedo kaka obadho e duoko omenda maromo siling milion 785 mane kambi teko sitima KPLC ne ochulo e chenro mar gero dag sitima ne kambi mar Turkana Wind Power Limited.
Jagoro mongiore migawo mar omenda Laktar Julius Moya manoketi orindi maliet kod kamiti no ne olero ni deko ne obedo kaluwore kod leo machiwo agulu mag bad bengi mowinjore.
Jakom mar komiti mar Parliamentary Investment Committee Abdul Samad Sharif bende oketo jatend weche keto mwandu Midusa Stanley Kamau e wi koke kimenyo tudruok malach manobedo e kind Ketraco, IPRA to kod kembe mag pinje maoko magikone to ne okelo pogruok e wi lipode mag Auditor General.
You see in your own submission you've indicated here that instead of 0.62 the actual was 0.52. Am I right? The one who actually 0.54 years. The one who actually said that gentlemen we have been overpaid was like Turkana itself. They're the ones who actually wrote and said it is not Kenya Power who caught eye of this. It is like Turkana themselves who said, based on what was actual and what was predicted that we would have lost, actual wind was this amount.
Like Turkana had indicated that they were given the wrong account. So does it mean that it takes more than 1 year for an officer to give the right account for the refund? Or what was the verification all about?
It takes much less time to provide an account detail. And so, if we are to call a spade, there was failure in terms of how quickly and how diligently this process was taken. In terms of providing the account details.
Technical issues handled by KPLC. I think from Treasury where we sit, I think we don't go through these kind of issues.